Okay, so we need to loop from the left side, and we need each here, and so this would be the character C. Well, actually we just need the index, so we could try something different here. So I just need length of S, right? So that's N here, and then I need position, which I want it to be more of a so if I do IRB here, infinity, looks like it's just this. Yep. So we could just say something like this maybe, and then take 4, right? Yep. So this is the number I need here. Going to initialize position with that, and then I need to move from 0 to n. So if I take 0 to say 4, what do I get? Maybe do this, I think. How do I serialize that? Let's take, I mean, as much as we can. So let's take 4 without this, and then let's take 5, 6. Okay, so 0 to 4 includes 4. I guess we could do n minus 1. Is there Ruby range excluding and maybe it's with 3 dots. Yep, so 3 dots works the way I want it to. So 3 dots, we'll exclude the last one, so that will give me n. And then I would want to do for each one, get I here. And then what I would want to do is just do, and I'll just do that. And then here we want to have check if S of I think there is also each indexed here. So if that's equal to C, then we want position to be equal to I. And then we want res to, can we append? So if I do res equal to append 2, so that would work. So I would want to append I minus position. And then here we'll do the right part. So how do we do a step with negation? So you could just go like this, right? So we'll need to start from the end here. So for example, we need to do something like -4 all the way up to -1. If we take, let's say, 6 of that, we get 5. It stops at -2, of course. And so if I do this, it will stop at that. I want it to stop at 0, right? So we could do that. But I would want to exclude the first value, right? So we would want to have n minus 1 here. N minus 1, yeah. So that will be minus n minus 1 to 0, and then we could do each for I. And then if the character at I is equal to C, we could do same thing, and then result at I is equal to the min of the result at I. And then we want position minus I here, but we will need to update position to be equal to float of infinity, which is the same as here. I think I may need minus here, the same way we did in Python, and we need to return res at the end. So res, there is a problem with this, so if could actually just do this, if and same thing here. Yep, so it's s.size. We could just do the use the shuffle operator. Does the min function exist here? No. Okay, so it will be min function. Yep, so we just need to do something like this and then that min. That should be enough. There is problem here. Let's see here. So if we look at the Python implementation, okay, so having min value here is good. Seems like something with this is wrong. So if I do -4, all the way to 0, take 6 maybe. It seems to give us minus though. What we want is the positive value of that, right? So here I would need to use, let's call this a j, because that would be minus. So I would want j equal to, or I equal to minus j, so that it can be positive, right? Okay, so now that works. And then we can try to submit. Cool, so that passes.